To the old tech guy today, there's amazing news from Milwaukee. They've expanded on their storage set, the Milwaukee PACKOUT system, by adding what many of you have tried to recreate in the past by using plates and the PACKOUT system, but now adding wall storage. This is amazing. I love the idea. I think it's great, especially for your garage or man cave. Check it out. You've got this first picture here, and we're going to go ahead and use Acme Tools email because I got emails from everybody, but let's use Acme Tools. Now, you got this first picture here from Milwaukee that says build your system, and you see the wall plates and the different bin combinations that you can order from them. By the way, you can pre-order right now and get them June 9th. Here you've got the large bins on the left-hand side and the plates and cabinets on the right-hand side, and then you've got the hooks and the racks. Sounds really smart. And in the racks, you can see where you can hang your drills. With the hooks, you can start hanging what Milwaukee has been investing kind of greatly on, their yard equipment, right? Their outdoors equipment. So very, very smart for them to expand on that. And you also see that this is kind of taking a page from them pulling this out for Ryobi, but it was missing in the PACKOUT system. So very good job on catching up here. Now we're going to go ahead and click on this shop now so that we get an idea on pricing. All right, guys, so we can go ahead and come down here and check it out. You got the Milwaukee 48228343 Milwaukee PACKOUT tool station. So you can go ahead and hang your drills right there. Pretty cool. I like it. I'm not sure what else you can use it for beyond holding drills though. On the right of that, you've got the 48228063, the Milwaukee Large Bin Set. Pretty cool. Put all kinds of stuff in there, I guess. On the left, on the lower left of that, you've got the Milwaukee 48228336, the Milwaukee PACKOUT Organizer Small Bin there. And on the right of that, you've got the 6-inch curved hook. 48228331 is the part number. Very, very nice. Let's go right under that. You've got the Milwaukee 48228330. That is the straight 9-inch hook. On the right of that, you've got the Milwaukee part number 48228332, and that is the wide hook. Again, these are all shipping June 9th, 2020. And look at the pricing, $19.97, and I'm guessing that that's if you pre-order, which I think I'm gonna do right after this video. You've got the Milwaukee 48228062 bin set again here, and it's probably a smaller set there. On the right of that, you've got the Milwaukee 48228333, and it looks like a 4-inch S hook. So I wonder what you can hang with that. Potentially some of your yard equipment, some of that new stuff that Milwaukee has come out with for the outdoors. Very nice. You've got the Milwaukee 48228347 PACKOUT compact shelf there for $19.97. Now that is interesting. I like the pricing on that. You also have the Milwaukee 48228335 3-inch curved hook. So that's also very nice. Now let's see here. I wonder if it's strong enough to hold a bike, some of those hooks. What do you guys think? Because I'm imagining this for the garage. Very cool. A whole wall of PACKOUT organization stuff. So you got the Milwaukee PACKOUT 48228341 right here for screwdrivers. This is great. I've got some ideas on this that I don't even want to tell you guys because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Right next to that on the right hand side, you've got Milwaukee 48228340, some type of tool rack. And then if we go down just a bit, you've got the long handle organizer there. It's the Milwaukee part number 48228349, and again, more outdoors kind of organization items there. So right to the right of that, you've got the 4-inch straight hook, and that's Milwaukee part number 48228334. And underneath that, all right, guys, come on. How many of you guys been wanting this? This is amazing. You've got the Milwaukee 48228337 Milwaukee PACKOUT roll holder. So you're gonna put your napkins and different types of cleaning materials right there. And to the right of that, you've got the Milwaukee 482283 487 large wall plate. Now, all of this has got to go with that, and that's selling for $39.97. Look at the price on that. Now, list price is $68.20. So if you're really interested in this, maybe pre-order is your way to go. With the roll holder, the price is $24.97. So I think that's a little hefty, guys. You should have kept it at $19.99 like the other ones. I think that would have been a fair price. You've got the Milwaukee Cabinet, 48228445. Now, I have a feeling that some people are going to buy this cabinet and add it to the regular pack out because it sure looks like it fits, and I hope that it's the right dimensions. On the right of that, you've got the Milwaukee 48228338, the M12 Battery Holder. Very nice. We've seen some 3D printed options out there that I think are a bit cooler than this, but maybe I'm wrong. Only time will tell if we can get our hands on it and test it. Now you've got the Milwaukee M18 Battery Holder here. That's part number 48228339 at $424.97, guys. You know, that's a bit hefty for a holder. What does it compare to the 3D printed battery holders out there? Check it out there before you make a decision. On the right of that, you've got the Milwaukee small wall plate. 48228486 is the part number, and I think it's, you know, a very good, very well priced at $19.97 because you got to entice people to buy it so that they could buy the other items, right, Milwaukee? So I think this is an impressive set, guys. I am somewhat in love with the Milwaukee PACKOUT system because I'm a bit of an organization freak when it comes to my tools, even though they become very disorganized. But this here seems like it could help me with more of my disorganization. I hope that this video was helpful to some of you guys. I hope that this introduces you to the Milwaukee PACKOUT system for those of you that have not been introduced and have been waiting for some of these items before you invest in the Milwaukee PACKOUT system. This is your friend, your buddy, Ed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love ya, and I'm signing off.